Friends, have you noticed? There's no conversation in the world today without the word AI. Nvidia is smashing earnings. Funds like BlackRock are pouring in billions. JP Morgan is stepping into crypto projects. This isn't hype anymore. It's a reboot of the entire financial system. And while everyone argues whether it's a bubble or a new era, the only thing I know for sure is this: you can make X on it. In this video, I'll show you the coins I would personally put into my portfolio if I were starting to build my AI collection right now. The ones that don't just have hype, but real fundamentals and a chance to explode in the next cycle.
3, 2, 1, fire!
Friends, before we dive into the market review and promising coins, please note that this video is not financial advice. It only reflects my personal impressions and view of the market. Always do your own research and invest wisely. The buzz around AI and crypto is so loud, the market is literally humming. But while most people ask the question, isn't this a bubble? The big funds have already made their choice, and their answer is very simple. Either you invest in the future or you're left behind. Take Nvidia. In July 2025, they rewrote the rules of the game. $4 trillion market cap, the first public company in history to hit that number. And the main driver? AI. From data centers to chips, from OpenAI to Google, everyone wants a piece of Nvidia. Analysts are already talking about $500 billion in annual revenue by 2028. That's insane. Nvidia today isn't just a company, it's the heart of the entire AI industry, and every pension and index fund is forced to hold it. Now let's look at crypto and funds. BlackRock isn't just doing ETF anymore. They're directly entering AI, backing Anthropic, weaving LLMs into their strategies to build wider and sharper equity models. This means AI is no longer a separate niche, but the foundation of all institutional investing. Their $400 billion BUIDL fund, a tokenized money market, already runs on blockchain and AI infrastructure. Essentially, it's the biggest experiment combining the two trends, crypto and artificial intelligence. And what about hedge funds? The AI crypto hedge fund sector has already grown to over $82 billion in assets under management. They're showing 12 to 15% returns using algorithms and reinforcement learning for fine-tuned strategies. This isn't memecoin gambling anymore. It's precise math backed by serious money. And of course, Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy. Now it's not just a company holding Bitcoin, it's the largest corporate BTC treasury, while also pumping the AI direction through its own platform, Strategy Mosaic. They're already being considered for inclusion in the S&P 500. That's a signal that even boomer money recognizes the crypto plus AI model. And they're not stopping. In August, they bought over 4,000 BTC worth nearly $500 million. All of this points to one thing. Institutional money isn't just testing the waters. It's building a foundation where AI and crypto merge into one unstoppable trend. So, you've got two choices. Either you're already on this boat, or you'll be watching it sail away without you. And that's exactly why I create these videos. I want my subscribers to stay one step ahead, to understand where the market is moving, and to know which coins actually make sense in a portfolio. Follow me on Telegram. That's where I share even more AI updates, deeper breakdowns, and things I can't always say on YouTube. Link is in the description of this video. And now, let's move on to my mini selection of AI coins that I would personally put into my portfolio if I were starting today. Well, now for the juiciest part. If I were only starting to build my AI portfolio today, there are two coins I would really pay attention to. This isn't about memes or empty promises. These are projects with fundamentals, institutional money, and technology that's actually reshaping the market. The first one I'd stop at is Bitansor, TAO. And here's why. In December, TAO will go through its first halving. Daily issuance will drop from 7,200 to 3,600 tokens. That's the same scarcity model as Bitcoin, which always creates upward pressure on price. Now add institutional interest. In August, Safello launched the first ETP on TAO in Europe, so traditional investors can now buy the token through SIX Swiss Exchange, Euronext, and Deutsche Börse. That same month, the TAO Synergies Fund, NASDAQ TAOX, doubled its portfolio, now holding over 42,000 TAO, with plans to buy another $100 million worth. That's not crypto noise. That's big money moving in. On the technical side, the project is progressing too. EVM integration is coming, which will open TAO to the entire Ethereum ecosystem and make AI dApps multi-chain. Add to that new subnets like AIX Bitensor, a platform for gaming and AI content with multi-token support, backed by partners such as DCG, Polychain, Coinbase Ventures, Pantera, and even Grayscale. Today, TAO's market cap is around $3 billion. The token trades near $320, but looking at fundamentals and upcoming events, many already call it a potential Ethereum analog in the AI world. TAO combines innovative technology with strong institutional interest. That's why I consider it one of the most compelling options in the AI sector. Another coin I can't overlook is ICP, Internet Computer Protocol. And there's a lot to say here. First, technical updates. On August 20th, ICP doubled subnet storage capacity to 2 terabytes. That means it can now run heavy apps, AI, streaming, anything with large datasets. That same day, they launched the Bitcoin DeFi Hub, enabling native BTC swaps and loans without bridges. This is an important step, since the bridge problem has always been a weak spot. Plus, they're integrating LLMs directly into ICP smart contracts. Imagine AI agents working on-chain using decentralized GPUs. And cherry on top, Dogecoin integration through Chain Fusion is coming soon. Then the Neon and Atlas upgrades. The first simplifies staking and DAO governance, while the second is a low-code environment for beginners, letting anyone launch apps without deep programming skills. This isn't just for devs anymore. It's going mass market. Ecosystem-wise, in July, Maestro received a grant from the DFINITY Foundation to launch Ordinals and Runes indexing directly on ICP. That boosts the Bitcoin direction and positions ICP as a base layer for apps like Liquidium. The community is strong too. Research from SNSDAO shows ICP DAOs have higher user activity than most other networks. There's also the ICP Alliance, a group of companies building on the blockchain, and the recent self-writing internet announcement, apps that literally code themselves with AI. It sounds almost futuristic and shows the scale of their ambitions. My conclusion, ICP is not the dead project it often gets labeled as. It's a serious bet on the future of AI, Bitcoin, DeFi, and self-running internet programs. Things like this often show results only over time. Either you track them early, or later, you just see them already in the top ranks. Well, that's all for now. Remember, these are just my thoughts on the market, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more coin reviews. See you soon.